Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Thakre, presenting my project Mydata. Currently I am in third year, pursuing my bachelor's degree. So this is my group, Tushar Thakre, it's me, and Yash Sharma, Vishesh Singh, and Yukti Sahu. My project guide is Ruchi ma'am. So if we talk about the problem statement which we are going to solve, the department is going to department organizes many training, seminar, workshop, webinars like that to grow the skills of the student, but somehow uh, most of the most of the majority of the student don't be interested in these type of trainings. Some people are interested in flutter, some interested in machine learning, some interested in the data analysis, the web development part. So it is we are analyzing their data. So if we talk about the solution part, so basically, we are talking about the analysis of our student data from the first year to the last year, by which department can easily identify these students and divide them into the categories, by which every student get the maximum of the uh, maximum from the workshop and webinars like that. So this is our idea. So the benefit from the my data is the student analysis, student का हमें analysis मिलेगा, which will shave the time of the department to identify the students, and the simplification part, which is very easy in the Power BI to analyze the student data, and the risk reduction, in future on the placement period, the student don't have to think more about their core competence. Yeah. So and it will reduce the cost of the department also, by which they can easily identify the students category, and they can easily provide them one by one, like if they have the 20 students for the flutter part and 20 for the machine learning, so they have to train 20 people, not the 200. So by which the student will also interact with the student more, with the teacher more, and the teacher will also be more active and give their feedback easily to the students, by which student get the benefit, and they can connect with each other also. Yeah. So let's start the implementation part. Yeah.